The Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya, Banteidor Lyngdoh, who had spoken to media persons on Monday, informed about the Khelo India scheme of the central government for the promotion of sports and games in the country. Banteidor Lyngdoh informed that as per the scheme of Khelo India for the year 2021, 6 projects were implemented in the state of Meghalaya. These included the construction of 4 multi-purpose complexes, the laying of artificial turf at the sports complex at Nongkrem and one at Wayajer. For the year 2022, additional projects under the Khelo India scheme have been sanctioned towards the laying of artificial turf in 7 sports complexes and 1 synthetic athletic track at Sora. The total project sanctioned for the promotion of sports in the state stands between 4.5 to 5 crores of rupees, informed the Minister in charge of Sports and Youth Affairs Department, Government of Meghalaya.
Khelo India ngila menakani ka senam balada ngila da bio umba santali ngila yo yaki murkata ka de na banta bantai gini ki multi indoor complex ke banlong kini ka multi purpose mut na banta ki indoor game outdoor game bagian sena kata kadai niyo kumba santali berkawai dia ka artificial turf kumba mentah ka layak di bangela sedang pentrai syat kata yang dia po Nongkrem kaba ni mentang sedang siang yo tu artificial turf kata ru ngiyo na Khelo India bat kumju kawai po Wayajer ngiyo na Khelo India di artificial turf bat kini ki indoor multi purpose masauteling kini ngan itu pihak keleng jongka jelah ke jong ngiyo debat mentah ka sien pat ko smo komen ka lomba mentah gidang sio biang pat sa nyoteli ki artificial turf plus bat ko ka athletic track ka ngiyo apo jelah ka jong lingba ka Khelo India scheme ka ba ka de kumba 4.5 adu 5 crore kumta ngiyo de kini kalong sya ka jing mentoy ba ka jing ku yang ni nomor mana kani nang suan na dali bat ngai wan man ya kendu ya ki officer juga sports department bat ngai baka kam kelaya chakmat bat ngilayo sanction ni gini natharai kan long share jung toy bu jung ku ya state jung hi bro koi limba kini ki scheme bawan limba Khelo India.